happy holidays. Welcome to the Sounds of Scotland podcast, brought to you by the American Scottish Foundation. I'm Marjorie Stewart, and I'm a dancer with Shot of Scotch NYC, New York City's premier Scottish Highland dancers. Thank you so much to the American Scottish Foundation for inviting me to be a part of your podcast series. Thank you so much. I'm in upstate New York right now in the New York Hudson Valley at my parents' house, finishing up some holiday decor. My mom's actually sitting right next to me. Currently, our dance group is working on our performances for upcoming Robert Burns Night celebrations in celebration of the Scottish poet Robert Burns. And these performances take place in late January, early February. And what we love most about these performances is that it makes us a part of the U.S. Scottish Celtic music family and culture as a whole. When you go to these events, we know a lot of the people. We're excited to meet new people, and it's a community that is just so near and dear to the hearts of the members of my dance group. Our group was founded in 2011, and about half of the members of our group have been performing together for almost 8 years now. We've performed throughout the pandemic, virtually at outdoor performances, wearing masks, and it's really wonderful to get back to performing together and have all of our events that we usually do start happening again. We prefer to perform to live music, primarily bagpipes, of course, fiddle music.
Right.
Drums always make it more exciting and dramatic, of course. We love performing the traditional Highland dances, and we also enjoy creating new choreography, incorporating different Highland dance steps and different formations. To learn more about our performances, visit shotofscotchnyc.com. And if you're interested in learning how to Highland dance, we have a few certified teachers in Shot of Scotch. Currently, Emily Ritter and Stephanie Ward are teaching in collaboration with the New York Caledonian School of Highland Dance, and that website is nycchighlanddance.com. It's a great workout. You'll make lots of friends and meet lots of people. Thank you so much to the American Scottish Foundation for inviting me on your podcast, and happy holidays from all of us at Shot of Scotch NYC.
Hello, it's Ian from the team at Whisky Kiss here. Just wanted to wish a very Merry Christmas to everyone at the American Scottish Foundation from all of us in the team at Whisky Kiss. It's no exaggeration to say one of our favourite events every year is playing in Bryant Park, and I've got a wee bit of footage here that was gratefully given to us by someone who was in attendance last year. This is our fiddler Murray Ferguson playing the Sky Boat song at Bryant Park. One of our favourite places on earth to perform at, and we're so grateful to the American Scottish Foundation for getting us in. We cannot wait to see you and to celebrate with you for the 25th annual Tartan Week this coming April in New York City. Until then, we wish you a very Merry Christmas and a very Happy New Year for 2023. All the best from all of us.
Hello everyone, I'm Cameron Steer and welcome back to this month's Sound from Scotland, where I am learning the bagpipes. Probably sounded a bit off towards the top because of the moisture, but I have now got a bagpipe instructor that I'm going to be starting with somewhere here in the Rochester area, which will be a big help to me as I try and take the next stages from the basics to the next level. See, your hands get sore after a while. It takes a lot of air, a lot of lung capacity. This is tiring. I'm really enjoying this though. It's tough, it's challenging, but I'm really enjoying learning this. That'll have to do until I fix the chanter. That'll have to do until I fix the chanter and the reeds. But what I'm talking about is this little piece. If you slide the top off in here, and you see how delicate that looks. I accidentally bent it when I was trying to have a look at everything and you know, watching my tutorial videos and such, and trying to get to know the instrument a little bit, and I accidentally went the other way and did something quite detrimental by accident. So I mean, whether it's that, whether that's got anything to do with it, or if it's just myself and my talents, or my lack of talents getting there, but yeah, I'm determined by next month then to get that sounding a lot cleaner, moving a lot cleaner along the fingers, hopefully having some more progress for you guys. But yeah, this is the early stages, and thank you for tuning in once again. You're listening to Sounds from Scotland. I'm Cameron Steer, and thank you / apologies to you all for listening to me practicing my bagpipes. And welcome to the section of Sounds from Scotland where I give you my musical highlight of the month. Since Doddie Weir, Scottish rugby legend's passing over the course of the last month, I've been looking for a way to honour him and his life in a respectful way. I finally found that with the Blazin Fiddles releasing their piece for the My Name is Doddie Foundation, which is called Doddie Stream, and it's beautiful, and in the spirit of traditional music that our podcast is and this episode is, I just think it's fantastic, and also a tribute to such a great man who unfortunately lost his battle with motor neuron disease just there. But his family said that motor neuron disease took so much from Doddie, but never his spirit and his determination. He battled motor neuron disease so bravely, and whilst his own battle may be over, his fight continues through his foundation until a cure is found for all those with this devastating disease. That was his family statement, and as I say, this piece of music is just beautiful. What it stands for is just beautiful. You see someone with motor neuron disease deteriorate over the course of time, and it's really sad to watch. But something I remember about watching Doddie Weir battle motor neuron disease was always the smile he had on his face, regardless of what stage of his battle he was at. He was a brilliant man. He was as his family have said, everybody used to say, he's a force of nature, a very strong physical rugby player, but he always had that humility and that softer side to him, that side of comedy as well, which I'll always remember about his case of mistaken identity about the nightclub in South Africa. He was a cheeky, funny, typical Scottish guy, great ambassador for his sport, and he's going to be sorely missed. But as I say, during his battle and his fight, he did a lot more for more than himself. He set up his foundation. He did a lot of work for other people going through exactly what he's going through, and just as his family said, well, his battle's over, it's going to live on, and he'll live on for a long time. Here you are. This is my favourite piece of music I have listened to over the last month, and it's really just beautiful. As I say, the fiddles are great, and yeah, here is Doddie's Dream by the Blazin Fiddles as they try to get to the Christmas #1. Enjoy. Thank you.
Hi there, I'm Scott Gilmore.
And I'm Claire Mackenzie, and together we are Noisemaker.
When we got approached to write The Snow Queen, I guess the first thing for us was looking at it as a story that's endured for a long time and I guess honouring the things that's made it last so long, but also then trying to make it work as a piece of musical theatre that allows the song to do some of the storytelling.
I think there's lots of elements to this production. There's lots of music and song that we've included that's been really fun to write. There's lots of different styles of storytelling. There's dance, there's puppetry, and there's projection as well, all to try and bring the world of the Snow Queen to life.
I think the other main thing we wanted to do was take the image of the Snow Queen as this kind of older evil witch and I guess slightly re-examine that, maybe look at a different way of looking at her.
There's lots of different kinds of music in the Snow Queen. Gerda, our main character, she goes on a big epic journey across a lot of different landscapes, so it's been really fun to create different environments in the music and the song.
The best part of the process is when you start to be able to have other people join the process, so like it's kind of the other creatives on the process. So we've got Richard Evans, our designer, when he comes in with ideas of how it might look and how it might work as an actual bit of theatre. That's when it starts to become quite exciting.
It's real now.
Because it means it's not just the two of us.
I know.
You know?
Scotty snow a high, me a snow a high, driven snow a high, a high. Scotty snow a high, scare up leg a high, driven snow a high, a high.
Wake in the light of the sun that's gone. Shovel up the snow from the night before.
Draw back the curtains to say it's dawn.
It's hard when the sun don't shine no more.
Wrap up in boots and woolen mitts. Gotta keep the cold out from your bones.
It'll chill your blood and freeze your bits.
And it hurts much more than sticks or stones.
And the world won't stop while you moan. It's the life I've got, but it's still my own. Everything that falls is by design. So if that's their fate, then this is my
snow a high, me a snow a high, dreamy snow a high.
Also direct you to our website, the AmericanScottishFoundation.org, where you will find other ways of supporting the American Scottish Foundation and our general work of helping share our love of Scotland. And so, until next time, thank you for joining us.
Bitter people and broken friends. Inside and out, we're a frozen town. It'll stop your breath when the frost descends. Achoo!
Keep your collar up and your head down.
Another day, yet still we cling to the hope the storm will one day pass. I blame the wishes.
I'll blame the king.
I blame the mirror with its cursed glass.
But the world won't stop while you moan.
It's a life I've got, but it's still my own.
Everything that falls is by design. So if that's their fate,
Then this is my snow a high, scare up leg a high, dreary snow a high, a high, a high. I pray one day my girl might see the sun of springtime shine. We brought this sorrow on ourselves, but the fault's not hers, it's mine. What I'd do to give her those summers long ago, but still I can protect her from the wind and chill and frost and ice and snow. Snow up high, scare up lead up high, dreary snow up high.